Are you looking to get creative again? Maybe even have an adventure? Welcome to my studio. I'd like to invite you on our next art adventure. Welcome to my studio. Welcome to my studio. Welcome to my studio. Welcome to my studio.
Blah 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 blah.
Maybe the kids have headed off to college, like mine. You just find yourself with a lot more time and endless scrolling and looking at news and maybe feeling a little empty. So I have a solution: digital landscape painting. Now I've done a lot of it out, on site, and that's part of the adventure, is to find places that you have in your area, take some photos, maybe do a little painting out on site because it's digital. Our studio is everywhere, and just have some fun, put some meaning back in your life, create some pieces that you can share with family and friends, and let them see the process, let them see where and how you're creating these incredible pieces of art. And yes, you can do it. You can definitely do it. This technology and the happy undo button make it very doable for everyone.